Want to speak real Dutch from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at DutchPod101.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Thomas. Hallo daar, ik ben Thomas. Welcome to the Dutch Whiteboard lessons. In this lesson you'll learn how to tell someone your name. Let's get started. Let's look at the dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to how the person gives their name. Find that part of the sentence and see how it's used in the dialogue. Hallo, ik ben Jan de Vries. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Hello, I'm Jan de Vries. Nice to meet you. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Ik ben Vincent Visser. Nice to meet you. I'm Vincent Visser. Hallo, ik ben Jan de Vries. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Ik ben Vincent Visser. Now let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern is used in our dialogue. Ik ben, name. I'm, name. Ik ben, name. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have ik, I, ik. Next up is ben, am, ben. Je, you, je. Te, to, te. And then the set phrase. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Nice to meet you. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Let's look at some examples of other ways to tell someone your name. Mijn naam is name. Mijn naam is name. This version is mostly used when you talk to someone on the phone. Another one would be ik heet name. Ik heet name. Ik heet literally translates as I am called. This sentence is mostly used by children and not by adults. Do you remember how to say I? Ik. Ik. And how to say am? Ben. Ben. Do you remember how to say nice to meet you? Leuk je te ontmoeten. Leuk je te ontmoeten. And how to say nice to meet you. My name is Vincent. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Ik ben Vincent. Leuk je te ontmoeten. Ik ben Vincent. In this lesson, you learned how to give your name in Dutch. Thanks for watching. I'm Thomas and I will see you on DutchPod101.com. Tot ziens!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.